Hi, Daniel.
Hello, Alice, the curious girl.
Oh, today I'm curious about sewage. Is there anything important in the sewage that we flush at home?
Human waste, also known as sewage or poo, is being used by scientists to generate power. They extract methane gas used in cooking at home, nutrients essential for agriculture, and uncover medical secrets that could transform healthcare.
How does that process work?
When you flush something down the toilet, it travels through a hidden network of pipes to a collection site or treatment plant, such as the Village Creek, James B. Messerly, Valley Creek, or Minworth Sewage Treatment Plant in Birmingham, UK. Through chemistry and physics, these plants not only obtain the aforementioned resources, but also produce clean water from your waste, urine, and other substances flushed down the drain. This water is then returned to the environment.
That sounds disgusting, Daniel. How safe is that water?
Let's take Minworth plant as an example. And here's a breakdown of the safety of treated water from the Minworth UK treatment plant. High treatment standards, regulatory compliance. Minworth is operated by Severn Trent Water and adheres to strict UK regulations set by the Environment Agency. These regulations ensure treated water meets safety standards before release into the environment. Advanced processes. Minworth employs multiple advanced treatment stages, including screening and grit removal, primary sedimentation, biological treatment, activated sludge, final clarification, disinfection, likely UV or chlorine-based, thorough monitoring, regular testing. Severn Trent likely conducts continuous testing on treated water to ensure it meets quality parameters including biochemical oxygen demand, BOD, measures remaining organic matter, ammonia levels. Excess ammonia can harm aquatic life, pathogen indicators, tests for harmful bacteria and viruses, environmental impact, safe for river release. Treated water from Minworth is released into the River Tame. Regular monitoring ensures this discharge doesn't harm the river's ecosystem. Resource focus. Minworth emphasizes resource recovery. Biogas from digestion powers the plant. Biosolids become agricultural fertilizer. Potential concerns. Micropollutants. Some pharmaceuticals and personal care products can persist in trace amounts after treatment. Research on the long-term impact of these is ongoing. Incidents. While rare, mechanical failures or extreme weather events can potentially disrupt treatment processes. Overall, Safety Minworth utilizes advanced technologies and rigorous monitoring to ensure that treated water released from the plant is safe for the environment. The plant plays a vital role in protecting public health and minimizing the environmental impact of the Birmingham area. But let's explore each stage of the treatment process. Firstly, the treatment process begins with the inflow of raw sewage, known as the inflow stage. At this point, sewage is raw and consists of poo, urine, and all the water used at home, including whatever goes down into sinks such as dishwasher outlets, washing machine outlets, and showers. All of this ends up in the drains. Additionally, it's estimated that each person uses 40 liters of water per day, which is then mixed with approximately 2 liters of urine containing nitrogen, uric acid urea, PO, toilet paper, personal hygiene products, shampoos, toothpaste, detergents, oils, and more. All that mixture is sent to the Sewai plants. Upon arrival at the plant, the sewage undergoes the first stage of filtration using screens. These screens constantly rotate with angled caterpillar tracks and sieves, allowing small particles to pass through such as poo and anything in liquid state while collecting larger ones like plastics into the collection bin. From there, the sewage moves to the second stage, the settlement tanks. In these tanks, gravity causes heavier particles to sink down as the sewage revolves slowly. The collected particles below, which are poo particles, are then channeled from below into biodigesters tanks where special bacteria are added. These bacteria feed on the protein and carbohydrates, producing methane gas as a byproduct. This gas is extracted and used for cooking in vehicles, and the byproduct as a soil conditioner. The water, now filtered, enters the third stage called the activated tanks. Massive pipes pump air into the sewage, providing oxygen to the microorganisms present. These microorganisms consume tiny fecal particles and ammonia, effectively cleaning the water. This task can be completed in as little as 5 hours. After the microorganisms in the activated tanks complete their job, a sample is taken for further analysis before the water proceeds to the final stage. Finally, the water is channeled to settlement tanks, where any remaining microorganisms are removed before it's released into water bodies such as rivers. Thanks for following. A subscription won't do us any harm.